Welcome back to my channel. OnePlus 12 released in December of 2023 in China. Here is the overall review of OnePlus 12. OnePlus 12. Defining flagship smartphone excellence. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest tech reviews. The OnePlus 12 promises to shake up the smartphone market and set a new benchmark for flagship devices. The OnePlus 12 delivers on its promise of unrivaled power, design excellence, and luxurious materials, with features such as a stunning 6.82-inch AMOLED display with WQHD+ resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, maximum brightness of 1600 candelas per square meter, and HDR10+. It also boasts stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos immersive audio, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 4nm, processor, 12GB, 16GB, or 24GB RAM, and 256GB or 1TB UFS storage 4.0. All of this is encased in an ultra-sleek aluminum alloy body with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for added protection. The OnePlus 12 is an imaging powerhouse thanks to its triple rear camera setup. A Sony LYTIAT 808 48 megapixels f1.6 main module, a Sony IMX 581 48 megapixels f2.2 wide-angle plus macro module, and an Omnivision OV64B 64 megapixels f2.6 telephoto plus portrait module. The device also includes a Sony IMX 615 32 megapixels f2.4 selfie camera, optical image stabilization, OIS, 8K video, 3x optical zoom, 6x hybrid zoom, and the ability to shoot at up to 120x digital zoom. For improved image clarity, there's a Pixelworks X7 independent display chip. The OnePlus 12 offers outstanding connectivity, with Bluetooth 5.4, dual SIM, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, 802.11 AX, GPS, L1 plus L5, and infrared. Its 5400 mAh battery supports 100.0 W fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse charging. In addition, the OnePlus 12 packs a 9,140 square mm 10,000 level single vapor chamber and Tiangong cooling system Pro for better heat dissipation. For those who want a top-of-the-line experience, the OnePlus 12 is a great option. From its all-metal body and luxurious materials to its powerful SoC and industry-leading display and cameras, the OnePlus 12 offers the most advanced features that today's users crave. However, while the OnePlus 12 is an excellent choice, it does come with a hefty price tag that puts it out of reach for many casual users. Additionally, the device lacks FM radio support. Overall, the OnePlus 12 is a spectacular flagship phone that pushes the limits of what a modern smartphone can do. With its cutting-edge design, powerful hardware, and impressive features, the OnePlus 12 sets a new bar for flagship devices and is sure to be a hit with users of all levels. The prices of OnePlus 12 in China. 12GB 256GB 63,223 rupees, 16GB 1TB 75,813 rupees, 24GB 1TB 84,328 rupees, 16GB 512GB 67,390 rupees. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more.